Right, I'm gonna stop now and rearrange the whole fucking thing. It's really simple. It's a 3 metre by 6 piece of plastic, and that's what I'm banking on to keep out the bulk of the wind and rain. I tried doing it this way so I'd have more coverage on the sides. I'd rather have it lower down and have complete coverage. So, back with you on board. More vodka.
1 hour to sunset. It's a lot of bugs. Greenfly. Greenfly are fine except for the fact that they bite, and if you squish them in your eyeball, they really fucking melt and acid. Grrr.
Got to bear in mind, the polyplastic is an extra. It's not the essential. This little rain tarp, that's the essential to keep the bulk of the rain off me. It is a bit windy. I could use ballast, like rocks and stones, but anything heavy enough to keep that down is going to be heavy enough to hurt my head if it hits me. The fucking plastic cost me 10 quid. I think I've got more in order actually, can't remember. I'm trying to get a 4x4 metre piece. 4x4 metres, or 4x6 or something would be better than 3 metres. I can't find anywhere that sells it more than 3 metres wide. I think I'll try and find a bit of wood to put on top, just dead wood, just to keep it down a little bit.